To change the IP address of your Yamaha TS-SH motion controller, you're going to use their web interface. Their default IP address is 192.168.0.1. Now, if you purchase one of our trainers, we've changed it to 192.168.1.13, and that's what we use throughout our lessons. To change it, first we need to make sure our PC's IP address is configured correctly. Go to your Start menu and type ncpa.cpl. That's a shortcut to get you to your network configuration. Then let's right-click the adapter that you're connecting with and go to Properties. And in there, we're looking for Internet Protocol version 4. Select it and go to Properties. And here is my current IP configuration. So since this is still at its default of 192.168.0.1, that means my PC needs to be on the same network, or mainly those first three numbers need to match. So I'm going to change this third number to a 0 and click OK and close. Then I'm going to open up a web browser and go to 192.168.0.1. And this takes us to the Yamaha interface, and we're going to click Network Interface and then Network Configuration. And this top IP, I'm going to change to 192.168.1.13. And the gateway, I'm going to change to 192.168.1.1. I'm going to click Store Settings. And then it requires that you cycle the power for the new IP to take effect. And while the power's cycling, we're going to go back to our network configuration, and we're going to change our IP address back to what it was. Now in our interface, we can type 192.168.1.13 and make sure it's there. Now that should be completely unnecessary if you purchased our trainer, unless you need to change your IP for your particular network. Now you're ready to install the user-defined function block to operate the motion controller from Connected Components Workbench. Click here to follow me over there.